For today's project, we're using NFC tags to create scannable business cards and tap-to-pay Venmo links. Use the free NFC Tools app to program your tag. You can program it to launch any URL on an iPhone or Android smartphone. I programmed mine with my Linktree info, so new friends can follow me on any of my social media links. These tags are small and light enough to hide just about anywhere on your outfit. Connecting just got a lot easier. Just tap any NFC-enabled smartphone to the tag and watch the magic happen. You can also create tap-to-pay Venmo links to make money transfers a breeze. See a full build tutorial at learn.adafruit.com, and remember to click that subscribe button for more fun projects.